Hey guys, I just got home from getting my hair done and I was about to film a completely different video, but this was waiting for me on my doorstep. And I was like, never mind, change of plans. I need to see what is inside of that bag. I am so excited. I have been wanting one of these forever. I've been watching other people's unboxing videos for a couple years now, and I finally got my hands on one. If you aren't familiar, Beautylish does lucky bags every year, and they release on December 26th. There is a wait list and everything. It is very official. They do two different sizes. There is a regular size that is $75 and is said to contain over $150 of product. That's what this is. And then there's an XL version that is $150 and is said to contain over $350 worth of product. And I really tried for that one. I really did, but it was sold out so fast. But I am super excited that I got my hands on this one. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you are just as excited as me to see what I got, and let's see what's inside. It would have been helpful if I remembered scissors, but I did not, so it took a little bit longer than I wanted that to. But anyway, I did want to mention too, anytime I have purchased from Beautylish, I've just really liked their customer service. Their shipping is very fast, except for this box. This took just about a month because it's the 24th today. But their customer service in general has been great. Everything usually comes with like a personalized note. Everything's wrapped very beautifully, so I expected nothing less with this lucky bag. So the packaging is very cute. It has little sumo wrestlers on there and little different beauty products all around, so that's very cute. I will definitely be saving it, and I like that it's not taped, so I can save it and hoard wrapping paper just like I usually do. And I'm gonna try to do this in a way that I don't reveal everything all at once, because I like a little mystery in my life. I am so nervous. $75 is a lot of money to spend on something and have no clue what you're getting. At least for me it is. My biggest concern is that things aren't going to be cruelty-free. I did recently go back to being cruelty-free. Also, if I get some duplicates. I have heard, however, that there are several forums and sites where you can go ahead and trade products with other people, so that's probably what I will do, or try to sell it on Poshmark. But anyway, I will shut up and we can see what the first item is. Okay, the first item, I'm trying to feel around. I'm pretty sure I feel a brush. There's just layers of tissue in here. It's probably a Wayne Goss brush because they're really popular. Yep, it's a Wayne Goss brush. Is there a number? I don't see a number, but this looks like some kind of face detailing brush. It looks like it's something I could use to set my under eye. From what I understand, I believe Wayne Goss brushes are cruelty-free, but they aren't synthetic fibers. I'm gonna have to do my research on that one because I'm not quite sure. But anyway, I will report back on this, but that's cool. I got a brush. Do I go for the big one? I'm gonna go for the big one. I wanna know what it is. It is Jouer, Best of Metallics Lip Cream Collection. I am actually a big fan of Jouer products, but I have two of their lip creams. One of them I love, and I wore it on my wedding day. The other one is metallic, and I don't love it so much. It doesn't wear very well. But now I have, let's see, 6 of them to test out to see if I love them, so we'll give it a shot. I'm not like super happy, but not super disappointed in this one either. Okay. Be something good. Hourglass. This is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I love this. I have it right over there. Not a bad thing though. I don't really mind having a backup of it. It saves me some money later on because I do love that mascara and I would have repurchased it. So not a bad item to get. I would have liked to get something new or try something new, but overall not a bad thing. I'm pretty sure these are lashes because I saw other people getting them. Yes, it is. These are Ardell, and these are individuals. I've never done individuals before. I probably have about 10 pairs of Ardell lashes just waiting to be applied, and I do love their lashes. So yeah, I can try my hand at individuals. It could also take me 5 hours, but you know, it's fun to try new things. All right, there's like a little bottle. This is Orbe, I can already tell from the top. It is the Mystify Restyling Spray, and this looks like a travel size. What is this? Shake and mist on next day hair. Heat style or air dry to redefine your style. Okay, that's cool. I think this is an Orbe product I haven't tried. I saw some other people were getting the Gold Less Dry shampoo, which I already have. So I'm happy if I got an Orbe product that it is this one. And their products smell delicious. How many more? I know one of them is going to be that Good Molecule stuff. So that's probably what this is. Yes, it is. So this is coming soon to Beautylish. Which item did I get? I think everyone got one of these in their box. They are a new brand that is coming to Beautylish. Everyone's comparing them to The Ordinary with price point. So I got the Super Peptide Serum. I saw there was also an eye product floating around. I don't know what it was for, if it was like an oil or what it was. But I'm happy with the Super Peptide Serum. That's fine with me. It says formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. That sounds good to me. I love new skincare. So I have just one item left. I think it's just one. Just one. I know what this is. and it is the Natasha Denona Camel Palette, and I'm actually really excited about this one. I have one product from Natasha Denona, and that is a highlighter, so I've been wanting to try the eyeshadow formula. Some people were getting ABH, specifically Subculture, and I kind of wanted it. I'm one of those weirdos. I love the color story in Subculture, and I also just kind of want the challenge, but I am happy that I got a palette that I have never used, and something new to try out. So this is 5 different colors, and it looks like it's 3 mattes as well as 2 shimmers. We're about to go away to Key West, so this is definitely coming with me. It looks like it's going to be very easy to work with, and I have heard good things about this palette specifically as well as her shadow formula, so I am happy about this one. I'm just going to go through and total everything real quick and then give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, the grand value is $165. That is not including the serum from Good Molecules. The pricing information is not on the website yet, as this is not on their website yet. So not including that. Most people are saying it's going to be priced like the Ordinary though, so factor in another $5 to $10, so that would be $170 to $175. They promised me $150 worth of product, so I'm happy they delivered. As far as my final thoughts on what I got, would I have picked all of these items out for myself? No. But am I getting to try a lot of products I wouldn't have otherwise? Yes. I've definitely seen a lot of other boxes that weren't so good. I'm happy I didn't get one of those. I got some stuff that I will actually use. I'm getting to try out a brand that I wanted to try, the Natasha Denona, and I got a backup of one of my favorite mascaras, and overall just those two themselves is pretty much worth the value of the box together. So I'm not mad about this. Would I buy another one next year? Yes, I would buy a regular size one. I would probably not buy an XL one. If I paid $150 for a box and it was this kind of assortment that wasn't like, oh my God, I would probably be pretty pissed off. I mean, that's a bill payment. That's a lot of money. So I probably wouldn't get an XL, but we'll see. Next year is a new year. We'll see. Maybe I'll be rich by then. Probably not. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.